In this video, you will learn how to disable WhatsApp calls on iPhone. Many people use WhatsApp for chatting and sharing pictures. However, sometimes you may not want to receive calls through the app. Maybe you are busy or just want some peace and quiet. Whatever the reason, I will guide you step by step. First things first, locate and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll all the way down until you reach the bottom section of the page. Here, you'll find an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on it to continue. Now, in the Apps section, there should be a search bar at the top. Tap on it and type in WhatsApp, then hit Search. From the search results, select WhatsApp. This will take you directly to its specific settings page. Now that you're in WhatsApp settings menu, it's time to adjust some permissions that are crucial for disabling those pesky calls. First up is the microphone permission. Toggle off the switch next to microphone. Disabling this permission means that WhatsApp won't be able to access your microphone during calls or voice messages. Next, let's move on to another important setting, the camera permission. Again, toggle off the switch next to camera. With this turned off, WhatsApp will not have access to your camera for video calls. If you're feeling extra cautious about notifications as well, you can also choose to turn off notifications. This step isn't mandatory, but can help reduce distractions even further by silencing alerts from incoming messages or call notifications altogether. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, disabling both microphone and camera access, you've effectively disabled WhatsApp calls on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.